In today's video, I want to share with you the reasons why a lot of affiliate marketers fail and how you can avoid it. Coming up. Hello everyone and welcome to funnelstoincome.com. So today we are talking about affiliate marketing and how you can avoid failing in affiliate marketing. So the very first thing I want to talk about here is the product selection. So choosing a product that you're going to promote is very, very important. A lot of people who are getting started with affiliate marketing just go to Amazon and start promoting products on Amazon. But the problem is the percentage commission you get is around 2%, 5%. It's very, very, very low. So I want to give you a scenario here. So let's say you're trying to promote a product and you're getting, let's say, 2% commission. And let's say that's $2 if you promote a particular product. So you would need to sell quite a lot for you to make even $100. And the effort that needs to go into getting that $100 is a lot. You would need to have a base, which is, for example, a large audience. This could be a mailing list or your social media following for this to actually work. So as I mentioned, if you're a beginner, you don't have an audience, so it's going to be very difficult for you to promote or to do any affiliate marketing. I know there's a lot of videos out there that try to make it seem like it's easy, anyone can do it, and you can just get started right away. But this is something that you need to know because I want to save you from getting all these frustrations when you start affiliate marketing. So just to continue with the idea of the commissions. So if you're getting a very low commission, it's going to take a lot of effort for you to make that work. So what do you do in that instance? So what you need to do in that instance is you need to choose products that have a high commission. The reason why you want to do that is it takes the same amount of effort to promote a product that has 2% commission and a product that has 50% commission. So why waste time on a product that's giving you less of a commission if you're going to put in the same effort? So if you're going to create maybe tutorials or videos to promote your affiliates or your affiliate products, it's going to take the same effort. The same video, the video is going to be the same. And why focus on the low commission? Right, so here's what you do. So you look at your industry and look for products that have high commission. This is key in at least trying to gain some success in affiliate marketing. Don't focus on the low commission stuff. If you look at what I do, I promote Divi, which has, I think it's a 50% commission, and I don't go lower than 30% commission, to be honest, on any of my affiliate marketing. LearnDash, the commission is actually very good. I think it's 30%. I'm not 100% sure. Cartflows, that's over 30%. So I know it's a high ticket item. So that means you need to make quality promotions and quality videos that talk about that particular product. Now, moving on to my next tip. The next tip is if you're promoting, let's say, a product or a physical product, maybe it's a mouse or it's a device that's used for baking or whatever it is, you need to make content around that particular thing. Show people how you can use it. Show people the results you can get from it. This is what's going to make them want to buy that product. And because you've explained it really, really well, they are going to buy it from you as a thank you for saving their time to do the research and finding out how things work. So this is the main key in affiliate marketing. A lot of people will tell you to choose an affiliate product to promote and then use ads to promote it. Now, ads are very, very expensive, especially if you're a beginner. If you don't have any knowledge in Facebook advertising or YouTube advertising, you are going to struggle to come up with ads that actually work because you have to do a lot of split testing. It's not a matter of just doing one ad and everything works. And to be honest with you, I've actually lost a lot of money with advertising. With Facebook, I've lost close to $3,000. With YouTube, close to about $4,000. So this is a lot of money, to be honest. And especially if you're a beginner, you may not have this kind of budget. And this money that I've lost, the reason why I'm saying I've lost money is because I didn't get a return on investment on that money. It's money that just went down the drain. So right now I'm on a path to really see how I can get these ads to work, because I know ads definitely work, but they need a strategy. So in your case, if you're just starting off, choose a product that has a high commission and start creating content around that product. Show people how that product can be used. Show people the benefits of using it. If it's a review, talk about the reviews. In fact, reviews, they do very, very well. You're also going to see a lot of reviews here on this channel where I take a look at different types of products, talk about them and see, how well they can be integrated into your online marketing processes. So reviews are very important, and also how-to videos. Show them the results. Show them how good that product is. This is what's going to make people buy it. Remember, affiliate marketing is pretty much sales. And you are the bridge between the product and the person that is actually selling that product. So you have to convince as many people as possible that this product is good. Now, I'm not saying that you just go out there and just say a product is good when it's actually not good, because that doesn't work in your favor. Once you start getting a lot of negative feedback around the product that you're saying is good and it's actually bad, it takes away your credibility. So you need to make sure that you really play around with the products that you want to talk about. If it's really good, make sure you've done a lot of tests, you've used it. If it's a physical product, make sure you use it and make sure that you're happy with it. If not, you also need to state the things that you're not happy about. This is what gains you a lot of credibility and trust to your audience. So that's all I have for you today. Please don't fall into the same trap of just trying to promote products that have very, very little commissions. Choose products with high commissions and create content around it. And this is what's going to help you sell your products. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. What do you guys think? If you have any ideas about getting started with affiliate marketing, I'd like to know how you got started, or if you have any suggestions, add them in the comments box below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell notification. By doing so, you'll be notified when I release new tutorials. All right, guys, thank you very much. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon.